So here we have a product from the company distributor Sexy Body. This is going to be their women's cashmere feel winter scarf or wrap. Honestly, I don't know what cashmere really feels like since I'm not like a fabric person or anything. But this is really soft and really nice. I know I would have guessed that it was made out of some kind of a cotton or something like that. This is the scarf. It's a really wide scarf, so you can see all the way across. It's actually the underside, so you can see all the way across. If I were to measure it, we're looking at 25 inches from top to bottom. And then as far as the length, you guys can't see this, but it's well over 6 feet since it's over my wingspan. And the pattern is pretty nice too. So my wife's really interested in wearing this in work. We live in a warm state, however, the only place that it gets cold seems to be inside of her work. So she said she'd be really excited to wear this and give it a shot. The pattern looks nice. She was definitely really excited about that, and she helped pick it out. But really, it's a scarf. So it's going to keep you warm. It feels really soft. The pattern looks good. There's really not much else I can say about it. If you got any questions or comments, though, definitely ask. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And we did get this for free in exchange for the review. Take a look at the stitchings and everything looks pretty good. Right here's where they wrap it up, so you got a couple loose ones. It's not a big deal, but it looks like it was, they're tied in there, so that's good. Anyways, it's a scarf. Looks good. So, talk to you guys later. Thanks.